hear that? That's the sound of people having fun. Laughing, shouting, screaming, enjoying themselves. And I'm here for the cause. Anyway, my new camera woman is always giggling and laughing at me and putting me off. I'm in place now. If you remember, we had the auto sleeper in earlier on, gone off to the new owners, new adventures, and now we've got the Heimer in place and that's ready to go out. So I haven't really got, oh, stop raining. We've got the sun out and everything. Let's see, full sun. Now, anything interesting else happened? We've had, no, we've not had a new bag, we've had a new van come in. We've just brought this has just arrived, exclusive, let's go and have a look at it. Now it's an Auto Trail and V-Line, I don't even know the year or anything. It's a 635, so I'm assuming it's 6.35 metres. It's a 2018. It's you who's been droning. I haven't been able to have a wee for an hour. All these drones going up and around. Hey? Oh. Slow me now. Oh right, so it's an Auto Trail V-Line 6 SE Special Edition 635. Just put this pack in because I think Finn's just done the stat sheet on it. And shall we have a little nosy about it? One of the biggest bugbears about these Auto Trails, I think they have changed them now, is you see how they've got the window here, and that's an opening window. Now if you've got that window open and then you open this door here, it's going to catch the window there. So whenever you're out buying one or looking at one, just keep an eye out for there, because obviously this door catches. What we do now is, because we've learned, haven't we, Emily? Yeah. Yes, is we put locks on these windows now so they can't get open, so that cuts one thing out. But I think on the new Auto Trails now they're actually locked. They're not an opening window. But anyway, so let's move on. It's a 635. So nice area. We've got 3-burner hob. We've got the microwave. Good. I'm not happy with that yet. So we can have 2 singles or a double. We've got good storage all the way around. Let's have a look in the washroom. Is it going to be a separate shower? No, it's a combined shower. And I think what just has perked me up just a tiny little bit, I've just noticed on the cab, if you have a look in there, is it's automatic. So it's automatic. Just let me come past. Let's have a look at the mileage on it. It's a 2018, like I said, automatic. It's got the gas low on it there, and mileage 10,268. So that's good mileage. Got a media pack. We've got a reversing camera, the aircon. We've got the blinds. So it's all the singing, whistling bells, whatever. What's the saying? Whistling bells, all singing bells. Something like that. So that's a van we've just had in. So I think we'll be getting this up on the internet. It's got to go through its pre-check first. We'll probably have a look and see what it's come back like. So that's what's happened today. We've got one van out, we've got one van into place. We've brought a van in. Oh, we've got another van coming in shortly as well, so we'll have a look at that. 45, where are you, 45? Got it. Volkswagen. So let me just take this out. So it's been for a pre-check, and there's a few bits of jobs to do on the mechanical side, and then there's a few different jobs to get done on the habitation side. So I'm going to have a quick look around it and decide what we're going to do with this van, because some we sell, some we move on. We do all different things with vans. So as you can see, it's a Volkswagen. It's 2011 Volkswagen. It's got the pop top roof. Let's go and open the back end and let's have a look. Feels a bit sorry for itself at the moment, doesn't it, with just the one wheel trim missing. Have you noticed? No. 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 We've got, what have we got here? We've got, oh, that wants a damn good clean, doesn't it? So that's going to need a good clean to be honest, it's always best to give them a good clean out first before what we decide. So let's go and have a look around the other side. Right, so we've got the 2 seats. I'm assuming that seat will swivel around. This one, let's have a look. Yeah, that goes over to make the bed. And then, oh, we've got another one there. Yeah, that drops down, so there's your bed. So you've got the 2 beds. Obviously that seat will swivel down as well. So there we go there. Where's my little lever? There's my lever. So, oh, look at this, we've got drop down TV as well. There. So we've got drop down TV. Let's have a look at a trim loose on our door. Where's our trim loose? Can we see a trim loose? Well, I'll have to have a good hunt around for that, to be honest. Screw missing, pop top. We've got a night heater on this as well. So leave me to it. I'm gonna have a bit of a nosy round. I'm too old for these Volkswagens. So I've made a few notes on that one. I've got a costings of what's going to be needed to get the van ready. What are you doing? So we've done a few costings, so I'll have to work that out and see what we're going to do with the van. I've got a job to do on the Adri. I can't remember what I've got to do. I've got to do something, but oh, we've just had this van in. It's a Zafira by Roller Team. It's a 2018. It's just at the moment being cleaned out. So let's have a nose inside it. See what we've got here. This has just come in. So let's have a look. Right, so we've got your typical 6-berth motorhome. So let me just pull that down. There we go. Good sized bed above the cab. We said it was a 2018. Let me just check the mileage. Good mileage, it's done 10,000 miles. So we've got the wardrobe like so. We've got the dinette here with the 2 belted seats there. We've got 2 belted seats over here. So we've got the 6 belted seats. Look at the size of them cupboards there. And then, just bear with me because I'm just cleaning it off at the moment, you see. So I never stop, do I? We've got the sink. Does want a good clean actually. So we probably, if you just have a look at all that, well, I might come back into this van after it's been cleaned and see what a difference it makes. So just grab me that. Inside there we've got the bathroom with the separate shower.
Freshly cleaned.
Oh, that's all been cleaned as well. Ah, didn't do the skylight though, did you?
No, I haven't got that to that yet.
Well, you can't say it's freshly cleaned, can you, if you haven't done the skylight?
Yeah, I can.
And then on these roller teams, I'm pretty much guessing they normally, oh no, it's normally compressor, but this is not, this is electric, gas and leisure, so that's a 3-way. That's what we call a 3-way fridge because it works 3 ways. Works off the electric, works off the gas and works off the leisure battery. We've got the bed there, and then we did show you as we walked around, we've got the big garage, so I'll get out of Emily's way, get her carry on with doing that. We'll have a look when it's done, when it's been cleaned. Oh, I've got a job to do on the Adri.